students, today let us proceed with the role of an entrepreneur. You know, in the early classes what is the meaning of entrepreneurship and what are the characteristics and functions of entrepreneurship. Today let us know what is the role of entrepreneur in developing our country, that is economic growth of our country. He plays a very important role in development of our Indian economy. Let us know what are the important points that comes under role of an entrepreneur. They inspire ideas and put them into practice. Nurturing economic growth. Nurturing means they enable us to protect the economic growth of the country because they play in production. So they have a very important role in producing goods and services which result the economic growth of a country. So entrepreneur is absolute necessary for the economic growth and development of a country. Entrepreneur also plays a very important role. Pivotal means very important role in not only developing the economy of a country, he also plays a very important role in development of industries, agricultural sector as well as the tertiary sector. Tertiary sector means service sector, like you have communications, you have many that is banking system, financial institution, monetary institutions, all these help in developing the country and entrepreneur plays a very important role. Entrepreneur also provides capital formation, means he enables the people's money to gather and mobilizing the ideal savings of the citizen. They employ resources for setting up their entrepreneurs, means they collect the money from different sources and that money is utilized. Mobilized means it has been put into in different sector so that he can produce something and contribute for the development of the country. Next important point is that they help in providing large scale employment to many people like technically qualified persons, professionals and artisans. Artisans means who are very well in making things out of pottery, then porcelain, like that. So means handiworks. Artisans means those are good in handiworks. So they help in promoting large scale employment for the technically qualified. The picture itself enable us to tell that those who are programmers, that is YouTubers, computer programmers and professionals like banking services, that bankers as well as financiers, all these are being provided great opportunity in putting their talent in order to produce the goods and services. Next important point is they help the country to increase the GDP. Please note down children what is GDP means, gross domestic product. What is this gross domestic product means? It is a monetary measure of market value of all the final goods and services that are produced by different productive centers. So entrepreneur will help to increase the GDP as well as per capita income. In the last class, means in the previous classes, you have been studying what is per capita income. Per capita income means it is an income of a person which enables the country to get more and more income, and those income were utilized for the developmental activities. Entrepreneur also encourages effective mobilization of skill. Mobilization, you know what is the meaning of mobilization means? It is a movement of skill from one place to another and bring new products and services, develop market for the growth of economy. So when skills are used to the fullest extent, they can produce new products which enables the growth of market. In the last class, you know what is entrepreneur. He is nothing but a person who innovate things in a new way, creative person. That person will have more and more benefit. So when he uses his skill for the different, to create something which is useful for the common man, and that is how he is contributing for the growth of our country. Entrepreneur also enable the people to avail better quality of goods at lower prices. He always studies, an entrepreneur always studies the market, and he knows which product will be more sold out. And if the quality is good, generally we go to the shop where the quality is good. So he studies the market, he understands the nerve of the people, and depending upon the product demand of the product, he start producing it in different way. When the prices are very less, demand will be automatically raised. As a result, they can improve the standard of living. Entrepreneur also promotes the development of industry. They also help in removal of regional disparities. Disparities means the imbalance of industrializing rural and backward areas. Means they just distribute, equal distribution of industries can be seen by different new entrepreneurs, and that may helps that industries are evenly scattered throughout the country. Entrepreneurs also contribute to the development of society by reducing the concentration of wealth and income. Means they help equal distribution of income and wealth is possible only through entrepreneurs. They also promote countries' export trade because they invent new things, new innovations is made in the production center. So automatically the export of those qualities will be exported to different countries, which in return we can get more and more foreign exchange. He also creates a working atmosphere, and technology has been introduced. New technology has been introduced to get more and more profit. That is the main intention of an entrepreneur. Less investment, more profit, new inventions. These are the important techniques that he adopts in getting more and more profits. Then what are the importance of entrepreneurs? We are just revising this same points which we have just discussed. Entrepreneur occupies a very important position in the market of our economy. He is considered, please underline and you remember, they serve as a spark plug in the economy engine. Means they activate the productive activities, stimulating all the dynamic activities for the economic progress of a nation and to spread its activities worldwide. Means they very quickly involve themselves in production by using new technology at a less investment. So that is why they say they are called as spark plug. Without this, economic engine cannot be run properly. So an entrepreneur is considered as a spark plug of an economy. So they are they should be encouraged and they should be rewarded. These entrepreneurs should be encouraged and rewarded. Entrepreneurs, as we discussed in the first point, he helps in capital formation and mobilizing the ideal savings of the public, and they also helps their own as well as the borrowed resources for setting up their enterprise. See, if I want to start a business, I may not have enough capital. So I go to the bank and we take a loan and in order to start my business. So he borrows from the bank, again he invests it into different sector and again he gets more profit so that he can repay the borrowed resources. As well as he will help in to value addition and creation of wealth. When he starts earning, he starts getting more and more wealth. which is very essential for the industries and economic development of a country. An entrepreneur enables to develop economy of a country because he invests his money, he utilizes his money, he uses new technology so that he can produce better production, and which is very beneficial to the people. It is entrepreneurial energy, creativity and innovation triggers the product. Triggers means it enhances the production of a market, we can say. Entrepreneur who undertakes risk and also he go in search of profit and seek opportunity to earn profit, strives hard to satisfy the needs. He always thinks something new things to the people, and he wanted to have to satisfy the demands of the people, which enables him to create new things and get more profit. That is how you have sale of a new products. He visit a number of countries, number of places, studies the market, then he finalizes what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce. I hope you just go through the textbook, children. If there is any doubt, let me clarify. Thank you.